everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Love Story Scrapbooking Workshop, and this is a pre-designed workshop by Stampin' Up. Now they have an optional technique of using baker's twine. I didn't choose that. I chose an additional optional technique of adding flip flaps. So I will have a separate video about how to make the flip flaps work with your page protectors, but on this layout I will show you what I did. And so this one has a cutting guide if you order it online, and then an assembly guide as well. And I can step you through if you're in my class with me. It had a sticker sheet. You can still see there's quite a few stickers left to make you, if you want to say something different or emphasize something else on your pages. And I also appear to have some die cuts left over. Not sure where that went. So these are this one is kind of nice as well in that it's not necessarily romantic love pages, which is awesome. I love focusing on things you love. So this one appears to be, best friends. You could be dog best friend. You could be best friend, or not use it at all and find something else that you love with all your heart. So that's great. So this is made with a bunch of strips that are all the same size, just kind of shifted along the page, and then added some photos. Now, I prefer to have more photos on my pages, so I thought that this was a great opportunity to add some of those flip flaps to your pages so that you can get a photo here and a photo here, or a hidden journaling spot, or things like that. And then just adding in the decorations with stickers and die cuts. And so I made the executive decision on my own. If it was having something overlapping, I didn't put a flip flap on that one, but you could certainly change yours up. Like this one would be a little difficult because you'll have to tuck your flip flap under it. But if you decide to change your decoration a little bit, it would be just fine. Okay, layout number 2. Also, this is more about a little baby. And I saw some other stickers that like this that you could add more of if you want to. And again, this one doesn't have a whole lot of photos on it. So I thought this would be a fun one. Now this one I did put it under here just because I liked the way it was. And then this one, I have a die cut here that I will glue on top of the page once I get it into the page protector. And then I added another flip flap here. And just decorating, you want to make sure that you use some foam squares to add some dimension on some of your elements, and the other ones you can keep nice and flat. Okay, the last layout. This is a little bit more on the, the special person. And so this is one of the ones that I'm talking about. I added some decoration to the flip flap to, number one, give you something to hold as you're flip flapping, but also just to make it a little different. And then this one doesn't have anything special on it, but it is there. So again, some basic strips decorated up, and you can decide if you want your arrow to be going into your heart twice. I just elected to have it coming out once. I'm not sure which way is best, but that is the Love Story Scrapbooking Workshop. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.